Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of Python Basics. If you are new here, this is a Python plus DSA from Zero series for beginners and placement aspirants. Today we learn how Python makes decisions using operators and conditions. So let us start with what are operators actually. So operators are special symbols in Python which are used to perform operations on values and variables. So they are used to manipulate data, compare values, and make decisions in our own programs. And we need to know why operators matter. Operators enable us to write code dynamically and perform calculations and create intelligent programs. And without operators, we cannot code the features dynamically. Without operators, it would be static. So to adapt the dynamic character, we use operators. So the next topic is the types of operators. The types of operators include arithmetic operators, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and float division. The next one is relational operators. The operators which compare between two values and return true or false based on the condition. They are double equals to, which is equals to, and not equals to, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, less than and greater than. So let us discuss first arithmetic operators, which includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation. So addition is to add the two values. Here you can see x equals to 15 and y equals to 4. X plus y gives 19, x minus y gives 11, x star y gives 60, x by y gives 3.75, x plus x modulus y gives 3, x exponentiation y gives 50625. So these are the examples of the arithmetic operators. The next the next one is comparison operators. Equals to, if the both the values are equal, then it returns true. If not, it returns false. Not equals to, if both are not equal, it returns true, otherwise false. Greater than, it checks the left value is larger or not. If the left value is larger, then it returns true. If the left value is smaller, it returns false. The less than value checks if the left value is smaller. If the left value is smaller, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Next, greater than or equals to checks if the left value is larger or equal to the right value. If the condition satisfies, it gives true. Otherwise, it gives false. The next one is less than or equals to. Checks if the left value is smaller or equal. If the condition satisfies, it gives true. Otherwise, false. And the next operators, logical operators. Uh, the main logical operators we have are and, or, and not. And if both the conditions are true, then it returns true. Here you can see the age is 20 and citizen is true. Can vote equals to age greater than equals to 18 and citizen equals and citizen. So here the age is greater than 18. So first condition is true. And second, citizen is true. True and true gives true in AND. So in AND operation, true and gives only true and true gives true. Otherwise, remaining conditions all give false. The next operator of logical operator is OR. It returns true if at least one condition is true. Here you can see hash ticket equals to false, is member equals to true. Can enter hash ticket or is member. So false or true, it is true. Unless and until if both the conditions are false, it is false. Remaining all conditions or operators gives true. Next one is not operators, reserves a boolean value. This performed only on one operator. Here we can see is raining equals to false. Going outside equals to not is raining. Not is raining means not false means true. going outside equals to true. If not false means it gives true, not true means it gives false. And the next topic is conditional statements. The conditional statements allow our program to make decisions and execute different code based on what conditions executes or not. So the basic conditional statements in Python we have if else, if else. So if execute only if condition is true. Here if temperature is greater than 30, it is hot outside. If we have given the temperature as 29, it will not print any code or execute any code, because here the condition fails to here the condition fails to become true, so it will not print. If we give the temperature greater than 30, it will automatically print it's hot outside. And the next conditional statement is if else statement. It provides an alternative path when condition is false. So if the if condition fails, it automatically prints else condition. Like you can see, if marks greater than or equals to 40, print passed, else print failed. If our marks are 39.39, it it returns failed. Otherwise, it returns passed. So here, if the marks are greater than 40, that is 45 or 41, it automatically gets printed as passed. The next one is if else if else statements, which handles multiple conditions sequentially. So here you can see, if score greater than 90, grade equals to A. If score greater than or equals to 75, B. If score greater than or equals to 60, C. Else grade equals to F. If my marks are 80, then I'll get the grade of B. So based on the marks we have, we can directly get the grade. So it is used to handle multiple multiple conditions sequentially. So the next topic is of our class is today's practice problems. So let us go with the practice problems. Here you can see the decision making flow. Sorry. Action if false executes the else block. Action if true executes the if block based on the condition. Evaluate condition means whether the condition is true or false, it will be checked in if condition. And the flow understands because based on the if statement only. Today's problems are even or odd checker, voting eligibility, and finding the largest number. Let us do one by one. So to find the whether the number is even or odd, let us take the input as I equals to int of input, I equals to int of input. Then if I percentage 2 double equals to 0, print even. Else print odd. So based on the condition based on the input given, it decides if the given input is even or not. Sorry. Let us give 5. So as 5 is not divided by 2, it is odd. Let us give one more output. 24. it is even. And let us go to the next question, if we can vote or not. So let us take the input as age. Age equals to int of input. Citizen. Let us take the citizen input also. If it is in, if he or she is in citizen, so they can vote. Citizen equals to input, because it is a string value. Next we are checking if the condition, if citizen and age greater than 18, print can vote, else can't vote. So let us run it. Let us give the age as 45 and citizen as true. So here it gives you can vote. Let us check the conditions by changing the values. Input as age equals to 19, citizen equals to false. Even sorry, wait a minute. Here we missed a condition that citizen double equals to true. No, it will get the correct output. So let us give the same output which I given earlier, 19 and false. So here it displays we cannot vote. Let us give with giving the less age 14 true. Here it gives you cannot vote. So the next question of today's class, the last question, it is finding the largest number among the three numbers. Let us take the inputs. A equals to int of input, B equals to int of input, C equals to int of input, if A greater than B and A greater than C, print large value is A. Elif B greater than A and B greater than C, print large value is B. Next, else print large value is p. So let us check it. Let us give the input. Sorry, 7, 7, 10, 9. Since 10 is the larger value among A and B, given the inputs, A is 7, B is 10, C is 9. So the larger value is 10. So that's it. Let us give one more input for understanding. A 25, A25. Sorry, wait a minute. So let us give the values of A and B and C. A25, 125, 1000. So the larger value is 1000. So that's it for the practice problems of today's class. So let us give a quick summary of today's concepts. We have learned operators, what are operators and types of operators, and we have learned conditions and the types of conditions, which is logic building in Python. So thank you and meet you in the next class with Python loops. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.